One of the most overlooked reasons for a cloudy pool is worn out filter sand, and most homeowners don't check it until it's too late. Today I am going to show you the right way to replace your pool filter sand and avoid common mistakes and get your filtration system working like new again. So first of all, let's remove all those accessories from here so that we have clear space to work with. Avoid some of the common mistakes like not covering the sand pipe. The sand goes into the pipes, skipping backwash, using wrong sand type, and overfilling or underfilling. Okay, now we have to open the head. We are not supposed to open this one, what you were doing actually. You're not supposed to open this, okay? You're not supposed to open this. You will have to open this one here. Come. If you want to open this. Okay, now don't forget to put things together. So always keep things together. Okay, Rohan, put it there at one place. Bring that bucket here. Probably we'll keep it everything in one place. Keep everything in one place. Now so don't forget to mark the label here. So if you know like till where you have the sand, so just remember that, and don't fill the sand back in this tube because this is where the fresh filtered water comes out. Okay, now let's take out the sand. This is how you have inside the filter. These are all the probes from where the water comes out, filters it, and then send it back. So you have to like clean them all. So you can just fold them, okay, this way. Just fold them and then your filter will come out. That thing will just, this thing will come out. Some few more twisting. This is out. Now we'll have to clean all of them.
क्या जूबिंग कर रहे हो तुम मेरे पीछे कम Let's see. So how the water is coming out from here. Basically, you have to clean all these probes here. See how water is coming out?
So basically you have to clean all these here, and once it will all be cleaned, you will see the water coming out from here. So once, see, everything has to be like properly cleaned. That's what you need to do. And then once done, you will just place it back inside, and then open those filters. And now I have placed the filter where it's supposed to be. I have all my connection points here, the in and out points. Also ensure that the main housing is right in the center. It's right in the center. That's really important. Now I'm just opening all the fins. And at this point, if any of these filters need to be replaced, you can just twist them around and it will come out easy. So see, now this is in the center and all of those fins are open for the water purification. Now I will go ahead and fill the sand. So I generally use this brand. This was left from last year, filter cleaning, but there is no preference. You can use any brand of your choice. So at this point I will just go and put a masking tape here so that accidentally I don't pour in sand in this tube. Just like this, easy job. And once the sand is filled, and I will remove this from here. And that's it. You have just replaced your pool filter sand and restored your filtration system. If your pool has been struggling with cloudy water, this simple maintenance step can make a huge difference. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more home maintenance tips. And if you have changed your sand before, drop a comment and share your experience. It helps others in the community. Thanks for watching the MG Factor.